Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download the eBay app on your Android phone. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, the eBay app makes online shopping simple and convenient. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store app. Once you are in the Play Store, look for the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it. Now type eBay over here. Then hit the search button on the keyboard. And here's the eBay app. Before downloading, make sure you found the right app. The right app look like this. Now tap on the blue install button over here, tap on it, and the download will begin and you will see the progress. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to a minute. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to open and tap on it. This will launch your eBay app. From here, you can sign in, create an account, or just explore the app as a guest. You are all set to start a shopping or selling on eBay. And there you have it. Downloading the eBay app on the Android is quick and easy. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.